Remember that time you really wanted those shoes? You know the ones. They were just perfect. The color, the style, the way they seemed to call out to you from the store window. You could already picture yourself wearing them, strutting down the street, feeling like $1,000,000. But then, reality hit. You checked the price tag and your heart sank. It was way out of your budget. Still, the temptation lingered. You knew you shouldn't buy them, but the siren song of treat yourself was too strong. You rationalized it in your head. Maybe you could cut back on something else, or perhaps you deserved a little splurge after a tough week. The internal debate was fierce. Your hand hovered over your credit card, the stress building as you weighed the pros and cons. It was a battle between desire and responsibility. That's me with a triple shot latte every morning. I know it's a budget killer, but the caffeine calls. It's my little daily indulgence, my moment of peace before the chaos of the day begins. I tell myself it's just a small expense, but those small expenses add up. Each sip is a reminder of the delicate balance between enjoying life and managing finances. We've all got our weaknesses, right? Maybe for you it's that new gadget, or perhaps it's dining out with friends. We all have those little things that bring us joy, even if they come with a side of guilt. Sharing these moments with friends can make them feel justified, but deep down, we know the impact they have on our wallets. Well, one day I realized my small splurges were adding up to a big problem. It wasn't just the lattes or the occasional shopping spree, it was the accumulation of all those little indulgences. I started to notice the growing pile of receipts and the dwindling balance in my bank account. It was a wake-up call, a moment of clarity that something needed to change. My budget was tighter than my favorite pair of jeans after a holiday feast. Sound familiar? It's that uncomfortable squeeze, the realization that you've stretched yourself too thin. The financial strain was becoming more than just a minor inconvenience. It was starting to affect my peace of mind and overall well-being. It's okay, we're all in this together. Financial struggles are a common experience, and it's important to remember that you're not alone. Sharing your concerns with friends and family can provide much-needed support and perspective. Sometimes, just knowing that others are facing similar challenges can make a world of difference. Getting real for a second, financial struggles can feel scary and overwhelming. The weight of bills, the stress of making ends meet, and the fear of the unknown can be paralyzing. It's easy to feel trapped, like there's no way out. But acknowledging these feelings is the first step towards finding a solution. But trust me, there's light at the end of the tunnel. It might not be easy, and it might take time, but there is hope. With the right strategies and a bit of determination, you can turn things around. The journey to financial stability is a marathon, not a sprint. But every step forward is progress. And no, it's not the tempting glow of another online sale. It's about finding real, sustainable solutions that work for you. It's about making conscious choices and prioritizing your long-term well-being over short-term gratification. It's about learning to say no to the things that don't truly matter, so you can say yes to the things that do. We're going to talk about real, practical ways to tackle those money woes, ditch the debt, and start living a life you love, without going broke. Together, we'll explore budgeting tips, saving strategies, and ways to make your money work for you. It's time to take control of your finances and create a future that's both financially secure and fulfilling. Let's be honest, we've all made our share of money mistakes. It's a universal experience, whether you're just starting out in your financial journey or you've been managing money for years. These mistakes can range from minor slip-ups to major financial blunders that take years to recover from. It's like that time I tried to cut my own hair, spoiler alert. It didn't end well. Just like a bad haircut, financial mistakes can leave us feeling embarrassed and regretful. But the good news is, just like hair grows back, we can recover from our financial missteps. One of the biggest blunders? Ignoring our budgets. It's easy to think we can keep track of our spending in our heads, but without a clear plan, expenses can quickly spiral out of control. A budget is like a roadmap for our finances, guiding us towards our goals and helping us avoid unnecessary detours. It's like trying to bake a cake without a recipe. Chaos. Without a budget, we might find ourselves overspending on things we don't need and underfunding our essential expenses. It's a recipe for financial disaster. Then there's the dreaded impulse buy. We've all been there, seeing something shiny and new and convincing ourselves that we need it right now. These spur-of-the-moment purchases can add up quickly and derail our financial plans. Those shiny new gadgets have a way of whispering, "You need me," It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the latest technology or fashion trend, but these impulse buys can lead to buyer's remorse and a depleted bank account. And of course, the I'll pay it off later credit card trap. Credit cards can be a useful tool, but they can also lead to a cycle of debt if not used responsibly. It's tempting to charge now and worry about the bill later, but this mindset can result in high interest charges and financial stress. Let's face it, sometimes plastic can feel like freedom, but it can quickly turn into a financial prison. The convenience of credit cards can make it easy to overspend, and before we know it, we're buried under a mountain of debt. But don't worry, recognizing these mistakes is the first step to fixing them. By acknowledging where we've gone wrong, we can start to make positive changes. It's never too late to take control of our finances and work towards a more secure future. Time to break free from these bad money habits and create a brighter financial future. With a little effort and discipline, we can turn our financial mistakes into valuable lessons and pave the way for a more prosperous tomorrow. Remember that daily latte? Yeah, turns out skipping it can save you a ton of money. It's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket every week. Little changes can make a big difference. Swap those expensive takeout dinners for home-cooked meals. Get creative with leftovers. Gourmet fried rice, anyone? Become a coupon queen. Clipping coupons and hunting for deals can feel like a treasure hunt, and the savings are the prize. And hey, who doesn't love a good bargain? Remember, saving money isn't about deprivation, it's about being smart and making choices that align with your financial goals. Saving money doesn't have to feel like punishment. In fact, it can be quite the opposite. Imagine the thrill of watching your savings grow, the excitement of reaching your financial goals, and the satisfaction of knowing you're building a secure future for yourself. It's all about changing your mindset and finding ways to make the process enjoyable. It's time to inject some fun into your finances. Start by setting small, achievable goals and celebrate each milestone. This could be as simple as saving for a nice dinner out or a new gadget you've been eyeing. The key is to make the process rewarding and enjoyable. Think of it as a game. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to crush your savings goals. Create a savings chart and track your progress. Each time you reach a new level, give yourself a small reward. This gamification can make saving money feel like a fun challenge rather than a chore. Try a no-spend challenge with your friends. Set a time frame, like a week or a month, and see who can go the longest without making unnecessary purchases. This not only helps you save money, but also encourages creativity in finding free or low-cost activities to enjoy. See who can go the longest without unnecessary purchases. Keep a spending diary to track your progress and share your experiences with your friends. This can create a sense of camaraderie and mutual support, making the challenge more enjoyable and motivating. Bragging rights and a fatter wallet, win-win. Visualize your goals. Create a visual representation of what you're saving for, whether it's a dream vacation, a new car, or a down payment on a house. Seeing your goals in front of you every day can keep you motivated and focused. Want to go on that dream vacation? Picture yourself there, enjoying the sun, the sights, and the experiences. This can make the act of saving feel more tangible and worthwhile. Make a vision board filled with pictures of your destination. Include images that inspire you and remind you of why you're saving. This can be a powerful tool to keep you on track and excited about your financial journey. Seeing your goal every day will keep you motivated to save. Each time you add to your savings, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and progress. This daily reminder can help you stay committed to your financial goals. Remember, saving is about creating a life you love, not about depriving yourself. It's about making smart choices and finding balance. You can still enjoy life while being mindful of your spending. Look for ways to have fun without breaking the bank. Make it fun, make it exciting, and watch your savings soar. By turning saving into an enjoyable and rewarding experience, you'll be more likely to stick with it and achieve your financial dreams. So start today and see how fun saving can be. Section 5, Side Hustle Superstar, Boosting Your Income. Need an extra cash injection? It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur. Side hustles are all the rage, and for good reason. Think about your skills and passions. Can you bake? Offer custom cakes for special occasions. Got away with words? Freelance writing could be your jam. From dog walking to virtual assisting, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the gig economy and watch your income grow. Who knows, your side hustle might even turn into your dream job. Section 6, You've got this, staying positive through the storm. Remember, financial struggles don't define you. You are strong, capable, and deserving of financial freedom. It's easy to get bogged down in negativity, but trust me, a positive mindset is your secret weapon. When you slip up, don't beat yourself up. We all stumble, it's what we do after the fall that matters. Get back on track, adjust your plan, and keep moving forward. Surround yourself with supportive people. Talk to your friends, family, or a financial mentor. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Section 7. Reaching out, finding your financial cheerleader. Sometimes we need a little help along the way. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You might need someone to hold the handlebars at first. Financial advisors are like financial coaches. They can help you create a plan, navigate tough decisions, and cheer you on every step of the way. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are resources available, from nonprofit organizations to online communities. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Section 8. Bouncing back, your financial comeback story. Imagine this. You're debt-free, saving for your future, and living a life you love. Sounds pretty amazing, right? That's your financial comeback story, and it's waiting for you to write it. It won't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of grit. But trust me, every step you take towards financial freedom is worth celebrating. Remember that feeling of buying those shoes you couldn't afford? Yeah, ditch that feeling. True satisfaction comes from achieving your goals and knowing you're in control of your finances. Section 9. Celebrate small wins, dream big. You're a financial warrior. You've got this. Every time you resist that impulse purchase, stick to your budget, or make a payment towards your debt, celebrate it. You're a financial warrior, conquering your goals one step at a time. Keep dreaming big, set those audacious goals, and never stop believing in your ability to achieve them. Financial freedom is within your reach, and the journey starts now. Remember, you are capable, resilient, and deserving of a bright financial future. Go out there and make it happen. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial success.